Hi guys, this will be episode 2 in the, whatever we want to call this, revisiting this after 3 years after I was given it. I'd found the rubber that I bought to replace the original rubber, which fell apart. But I think I might have already mentioned this. The rubber lubricant that I'd bought at the same time had obviously leaked out of the container. So whatever was in this bag was well lubricated, but there was no lubricant left. So today I popped out and bought pure castor oil, because some of the sites recommend it. That other stuff was proper silicone rubber lube. That was from Sam's Models, www.samsmodels.co.uk. They've changed the name of the company to Vintage Models or something now, because when I went back on the site and tried to sign on with it with my old sign-on details, it didn't recognise me. So it must have been, well, 3 years ago. Anyway, I'd got the new rubber. I've measured it out. I looked at the previous videos I'd done, and it was actually 8 strands or 4 loops that were on there, that length. So that's what I've cut and lubricated and put it on, fed it on. I haven't got the ratchet in place on that end, so if we wind it up, the propellers will start turning eventually. There we go. Just so we can actually see them turn. So if I now put that clip in place, that should stop it, and then wind it up. That's about 100. I think it says 200 to actually make it fly. So we'll just see if we got the... You've got to get your hand in here. You don't want to hit the propeller with it. So press that, and then we would throw it that way, having taken that off. Otherwise we're going to lose it in the field. Okay, well, there you go. We are lubed up and ready to try flying it. So I've no idea if my friend actually flew it. And I've no idea whether it's been trimmed in any way. And it's probably settled a little bit in storage. So the chances of it actually flying straight are slim. I probably ought to find somewhere that's got some long grass so that when it lands, it has a soft landing. And as I say, I'll have to remember to take that off before we actually launch it. Otherwise, we're going to lose it in the grass and never see it again. Remember to put that ratchet in place. It's very simple. There's just a hole in the bottom there that sticks through to stop it turning. If we can actually hold it still and wind it. No idea where the centre of gravity needs to be. No idea what sort of trim we need. So it's very much going to be a matter of wind it up, throw it, see what happens, and try and adjust it to suit whatever happens. Right, one more test. Nothing. Yeah, it's not going to fly for any long distance, is it? And remember to throw it that way, canard. I don't know if there's any lubrication option for the gears. We'll try it just as it is. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.